3D Markup is a really nice app that you can use to tell anyone on the platform something about the content, like a 3D model, a drawing, or another document. It can be things you want to change or just specific input to the design of a product. Make sure to catch episode 1 if you haven't seen it. This time we are going to dive into other stuff. Like what happens with the markup if the model has changed? What other file types can you mark up? And we'll round off with a really nice little trick related to drawings. Here we go. First of all, what happens if the revision of the model we used to create the markup changes? The important thing is that the markup will not change if the CAD geometry for that revision changes. So if the product is in work when you add the markup and then someone else changes the product, then changes will happen but the markup will not update. It is good to know this because it might lead to some confusion, and to avoid this it is probably better to use the markup on released components and use them as input for the work for the next revision. So the markup will be linked to a specific revision, and when you make a new revision, the markup will not be brought into that revision. In the first video I showed you how to mark up a 3D model. Can you mark up a 2D drawing as well? Yes, you can, and you got the same markup tools basically there. And you can do markups on drawings the same way as you do with 3D models. And as for 3D models, the markup will be linked to this revision of the drawing. What about documents? Here I have a Word document uploaded to the platform, and I can do markups there as well. I can wipe out words. I can do other kinds of markings with freehand, and I can add comments, as you see here on the right, to sections of the document. When I'm done with the markup, I can export the markup along with the document as a PDF if you need to send it outside the platform. This was a walkthrough of the 3D Markup app. This app is really useful. I can help you make less errors, communicate design changes more efficiently, improve your documentation process, and it can help you make more qualified design decisions. That's it for now. See you next time.